So hi, this will be probably a quick one. I've got this from Alibaba, almost sure Alibaba, yes. A black box. What is inside this black box? Let's see. So this is another kind of spot welder YXKY. I don't know, YXKY. So we have here the spot welder. We have here some additional parts. You can see it came with two switches, additional switches, and also there are two springs, additional springs. Where are those springs? So the springs are here, and the switch, as you can see, is here. But eventually, where is all the electronics? This is a good question. But my big question is not where is all the electronics, is, in other words, is there any electronics inside? So eventually I would like that there will be MOSFETs that after pressing the switch here, so yes, there is a switch. By the way, you trigger it with hard press on battery. We'll show you how. You just press toward the battery like this, and you can hear the click of this switch. But the question is there any electronics inside? My guess is there is nothing, exactly nothing inside. What you have inside is nothing. Why do I think so? Because the metal looks like it's the same metal here and same on the other side. It seems one metal, and probably this wire is the switch. So basically what you need to apply high power to these pins, and then this is your trigger switch, and this is how you activate it. Let's confirm with my special DVM if I'm right or I'm right. So if I have, of course, direct contact, so I'm right. So 0 ohm and 0 ohm. So basically there are no contact. The only contact is probably this one is the switch. How can I press and at the same time keep it like this? Maybe with the screwdriver. Let's see. Okay, so if I'm pressing it, we'll try to press and catch. I'm not pressing yet, just doing shorts. Now I'm pressing. Not now. But now, yes, you hear when I press the button. So this is just like a switch, a trigger switch. It basically can be in any other place. I don't have to press it, but they put it because after you press, then you want the energy to be transferred to this nickel strip. So basically, all in all, this welder is welder without any welding parts. No power, no batteries, no capacitors, no circuit, no nothing. So you have to apply here power, and this will be your trigger for 1 millisecond or 2 or 10 or whatever you want, and this is how it works. So welder without any welding parts at all. So thank you and bye.